What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Zeke back again with another one. And today, as y'all can see, I have 10% left on my damn oil life. So I am here at a shop around in my neighborhood to get an oil change. I wanted to order the SLT oil online, but I gotta get an oil change. And y'all see why eventually. Why I gotta hurry up and get it now. But the car is out here today. She's looking good.
First off, who are you?
She's looking good today. Look at her. Ooh, child. Get in front and tell me she don't look good, bruh. I know she look good. But now, I need a cut, so don't mind me. What's up, guys? So he about to bring Faith in the shop. Oh my God, she look good. She look good. No cap, she look good. But yeah, finally about to get this oil change done. About to get this joint done. Finally. There she goes. There she goes. Yeah. She wide. Wide body. What's up, boss? You good? Yeah, can I come in? Can I come in? It's the, I don't know if you've seen it. You see the thing right there by the steering wheel? It's like for the throttle. Oh. So as soon as you touch it, the pedal commander, as soon as you touch it, it's instant. They give it that instant thing when it's in the track mode.
What that guy what do you touch the gas up? The fucking tire
It goes, so.
Yeah.
Well, you have a Hellcat? Is it a Hell? Is it Scatpack? I got the what's it called in the back here? Cause I'm gonna do a mid muffler, but I'm gonna replace it with these.
Oh, you got a muffler in it?
Yeah, it's like so it don't become like raspy and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It just won't. You know, they usually put the straight pipe after they put the mid muffler, but
okay.
That's like another thing that I could put in there. So it's bro. I'm about to wake this thing up, man. I'm about to wake this thing up. Y'all get a neighbor discount, right? Yo, y'all gotta comment, man. What color should I put this? What color are we doing? Yeah, she in the air now.
You charge you extra for all this shit, babe.
So he just told me that so when you put it in sport and stuff like that, it drops down. Cause what is it called? You said?
When you put it in sports mode, it drops.
It drops down. So I never been under here. You know, those gotta go soon. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? I gotta get some mud flaps, bro. Gotta get some mud flaps. Look at that. It's tearing that up. But yeah, we gonna cut back until the oil starts coming out. Yeah, so y'all be telling me I gotta remove this. It's just a little clip. It's like clips. They hate this. They always say to remove the yellow piece. You feel what I'm saying? It's cause
they just clip in here.
they just clip in, right?
Yeah,
okay. I'm gonna keep it on for now.
Yeah, but that's what nice, man.
It look nice, right? People hate it, bro. I always get shit for it. People hate this.
Yeah, but if your struts is yellow, and you get it in yellow.
Oh yeah, the struts is yellow.
You know.
Yeah. Damn, bro, these tires is huge. Yo, how much you got tires these size?
You can 80 you want.
What is this? That's 265? What is 305 at?
305 there right there.
Get the bag.
Oh. How much for the 305s? Yeah, we gotta get like a little nice little deal, you know what I'm saying? If I'm coming here every month for tires. So the guy who have a Charger is a wide body too? So unscrew it. One day I gotta learn how to do my own oil change. Oh, that's
Easy, man.
That's it.
That's it.
But you got, I will have to have the car on a lift or something.
You could get a fucking car on a...
That's it?
Yeah, you drive up and just tight it, that's it. You drain out and you put it. See what filter fit is, Django? What year the car?
22.
22.
22. What size is the filter?
The fucking filter big so what?
Let me see the hole. That's just big, man. That is regular M5.
See, baby. I change easy, man, watch, you see? You just
That's
drain
it.
there. If you get too wrong, you drive up
And you drive up on the ramp and just do that.
Go on the
So all I gotta do is remove this piece.
four screw.
Nah, the guy carry was a.
You remove the four screw. That
Yeah,
will
that's-
cover here. The screw here, one there, one there, one there, one here. You take it out, you take out this is the filter.
Wow, that's it.
That's it.
I bet. I gotta buy that little,
Yeah, the
the
little
two
ramp where you
the
drive
ramps. Yeah.
But don't buy plastic one, buy the metal one.
Okay.
Get the plastic one, something the car go up after a time, you dry rot. You there in the bottom, the thing break down. You know, you
Yeah,
don't
we
want
don't
that.
need that.
Yeah.
We don't need that. Damn, so that's it. All right, so the next one I might do myself. Word.
Yeah, man, I take it easy.
This one.
Damn, she look good.
This one.
All the oil was drained. Put it back on the piece down. Yeah, so now you just gotta drop it. Gotta just drop the car and put some oil in there and then that's it. Yo, these freaking calipers is huge, yo. You see the size of this joint?
But if you peep inside, you see the pad size?
Which one?
The pad.
The pad?
Yeah, let me bring it down. The pad for it. The pad not that big, look at the caliper. It's a bimbo caliper. You see here? This is the pad. Oh, sorry.
You good?
You see here? From here to here.
Oh, that's the pad?
That's the pad only. You see? You can see it, right? You see where
Yeah.
the metal letter?
Mm-hmm.
And here. This is the pad only. But this have 3 piston on this side and 3 piston on the other side.
Okay.
Some car only have 1 piston, the regular car. But
I ain't gonna
have
front. This
3
joint,
fucking
it's, bro,
pistons.
it's stop.
Yeah.
Like when you wanna stop,
Yeah.
I ain't gonna front it stop.
Yeah, the back have too. The back have caliper bimbo. You see? You see the rotor
Yeah.
them size?
I'm thinking about changing the color to these. I'm gonna get these painted.
Huh? You painted?
Yeah, I'm gonna paint it a different color. It came black. I don't really like it black. I feel like it don't show. You know what I'm saying?
Not stand out.
Yeah, it don't pop out.
To me, what color you want to put it in?
What color you think?
Red?
Not red. Everybody got red.
I think you put it in a green, man.
Yep, there you go.
I wanted a green.
I'm doing green.
I want the car, nothing is green. But green is stand out.
Yeah,
nice.
green gonna look good. Green gonna look
Yeah.
good. Facts.
Green will look nice. If you put that in green and you see this black molding around the window, if you put that in green,
Uh-huh.
that should look wicked.
Right.
Like here. Like you laminated, this piece.
Oh,
this
that
alone.
piece.
Right here on here. So.
Going around. Yeah, that would be fire. I didn't even think
And
about
that's
that.
green there and this green here.
Yeah, I didn't even
Yeah.
think about that.
Oh, green and blue. No, green and the. That can look wicked. Let me see if you get any.
Yup. See back down.
Extra label on this shit right here. You talk about discount.
Yeah.
There you go. You need a belt funnel now?
Then funnel. Yeah, but the funnel make you now open it.
Yes. But bad 4 screws. Just fuck it.
Yeah, so they have to take off the whole top piece in order to get to put the oil back in. So if I'd have did this by myself, I definitely would have had to YouTube that. Take this piece off, but it's just 4.
It's just 410, not man.
4, okay.
Just lock it and you come out.
This heavy?
No,
It's not
no,
heavy.
right.
It's actually not that heavy. So if I wanted to, I could probably do this a different color.
That's what I'm gonna say. Go change it.
Yeah, I could change this to color, right?
Yeah.
I think you sell, huh?
Huh?
I think you sell, right?
Sell like this?
What?
You sell like that?
Yeah, maybe you can buy a different color. You could paint that too.
Or paint it or whatever. Anyhow you want. Put sleeves.
Oh, so you gotta take off the screw. Cause they have a kit where you could put it makes the scoop sit higher.
Higher.
It's higher off of the hood. But they say they have trouble with the seals and stuff like that. Yeah, so this is sealed pretty good. Actually not heavy, y'all.
No, it's electric.
Yeah, it's not heavy at all. Maybe they go with Mobile One instead of the SRT. Well, only because it wasn't gonna come in time and I had to get an oil change. I had to. But yep, 7 quarts. This is what I'm looking at up here, y'all. Is it this? The 315s. I don't even know what tires those are though. What brand tires those are. 315s look crazy. .315 is probably just on the back. Leave the 305s on the front. Just like that. She goes back on top. I could do this, man. I'm gonna try it next time.
Just enter the hole, see father.
Yeah.
That's it. And then you put on back the bolt.
I gotta get me a little metal ramp. The chef boy probably could help me out. Damn, so if I wanted to... Nah, I can't change that, Dan.
Where this piece?
The intake, right? The intake is connected.
You could change from here.
From here, right?
Change this piece here.
Okay, from this side.
Piece, yeah.
So I can still change this intake
Yeah,
out.
you could change that. Change this piece. This piece will be high so this whole bottom piece maybe come with another kit or bolt down. This bottom piece come out too.
Oh, the
but
bottom
this
piece
piece
come.
sit on it
Okay.
because it turned like this way. You see, you have the bolt.
Yeah.
The whole thing you can high out and put the arrow on. Depends how the arrow come with the kit.
Damn, my shit running low. Yeah, guys, so Put them back on. Yeah, guys, so we're back. She got the oil change. She's ready to go. Saying she sound good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She a little, man, car dirty, bro. Car definitely dirty. But hop in this joint. Here we go, baby. Now we back. 5,000 miles, bro. Isn't that crazy? I gotta put her up. But yeah, guys, this was just a little slight video. I might give y'all some B-roll of me driving because I haven't been pushing her too much lately because the oil been low. But she back. So I ain't gonna end the video here. I ain't gonna do that to y'all. YouTube, so she is back. You feel what I'm saying? Feeling good. I'm feeling good. I haven't tried that. Y'all see what's down there. I haven't tried the pedal command yet. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that video. But yeah, the car's definitely back. She's back in track mode, as you can see. Oh man, bro, this car. Yeah, she back. She back for sure. She is back for Shursky. Oh man. Ooh, yep. Yep. But I'm happy. Damn. I'm happy that y'all took a ride with me. Got the oil change. This is a little slight video. Faith is definitely back. She is back and better. Her full self. Oh, you hear the down shit, man. Oh, boy. Yeah, but it's your boy King Zeke. If you like the video, make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. Peace. Golly.